Good day, everyone. Here's some pictures to kind of give you an idea of where everything is at. We're going to start off with the first couple of slides. Are going to show kind of the condition of what the tomb looked like when we first went and looked at it before any work was done. So as you can see, it's pretty cracked up. There's growth going around. It's in pretty poor shape. As you can see, there's more things growing here. It's a little bit more of a close-up, and this is that the old brick on the front. These three down here have old bricks sitting in the front that have some kind of paint plaster on them. Here's more close-ups that give you a better idea of how what shape the tomb was actually in. One of the things that was happening is where the moisture was gathering, it was actually causing the concrete to deteriorate, almost like rot, like wood. And you can see there was like some termite kind of stuff going on here too as well. In addition, here's some old clothes that were on the roof that were found that I have no idea how they got up there. This is before and after the power wash. So you can see that this is before everything was started, and you can see now it's starting to get cleaned up and some work is getting done here. These were before the repair started. You can see that he's underway with the repairs now. So obviously removing a lot of this old stucco, while some of it was fairly easy, some of it was very much stuck on. And then as well as being delicate enough not to try to cause any more damage to the tomb than was already there. But at some point in time, some of the areas had to be cleaned out to get to some good concrete. These are fracture repairs that were all across the tomb, including the roof, which was pretty extensive. Included with the repairs is this drain back here was not properly adhered to anymore, or seated properly anymore, and so it was causing more problems on the back of the tomb. This is how he addressed finishing these bricks, these old brick finishes that are on these tombs. What he recommended and we went ahead and approved was to go ahead and put these aluminum plates in. And what he does is he puts sealant all the way around the edge right there, then he paints it. So what it's going to do now is it's going to give it everything, as you can see, a nice finished look. And he doesn't have to worry about damaging the brick and then causing more repairs. Hope everyone has a great day, and we're looking to having this thing wrapped up fairly soon. Take care.